Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to see your recurring payments on Bank of America in 2025. Whether it's your streaming subscriptions, utility bills, or loan payments, keeping tabs on these can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid any unexpected charges. This guide is straightforward and works on both the mobile app and website, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Bank of America account. If you haven't already, download the app from your phone store or head to the Bank of America website and enter your username and password. Security is key, so use two-factor authentication if prompted. Once you're in, start by going to the Accounts overview. Here, you'll see a list of your checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Select the one where you think the recurring payments are coming from, for example, your main checking account. Next, navigate to the Transactions or Activity tab. This is where all your recent purchases and payments are displayed. To zero in on recurring ones, look for the filter or search icon, usually a magnifying glass or funnel symbol. Type in keywords like recurring, or select options for subscriptions or automatic payments. You might also set a date range, such as the last 3 months, to spot patterns. Bank of America has made this even easier with their Bills and Payments section. Tap on that to view scheduled and upcoming payments. If you're on the mobile app, swipe through the tabs or use the search bar to find it quickly. Pro tip: enable alerts for recurring transactions so you get notifications straight to your phone. This way, you'll never miss a thing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a clear view of your recurring payments and better control over your budget. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.